Right, it's running.
Turn it on. Turn this on.
Do you want to talk to me or whatever?
So you can see it's coming on.
Come that way in the light a bit there. Oh, no, that's actually better. Yeah, okay. Okay, it's running.
That's just booting up.
That's fine. Just do you want to talk to it at all?
Compass interference. Move to a new location or recalibrate the compass.
Okay, so I'm going to move it.
Okay. Yep.
So I'm going to try and calibrate the compass. Calibration. Compass. Start.
Calibration failed.
So it just says failed
Yep.
every time.
Calibration failed.
Every time.
Yeah. So what I'm going to try and do then is fly it
Without calibration.
without calibration.
Restricted.
So you're still filming, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's now no GPS. It's got no GPS on it.
Yeah,
So
I've got that. You can see it perfectly, yeah.
try and start it. It's not doing anything.
Not doing anything, okay.
I've got a flashing light on the back there, see that?
Okay, so, yeah, got that.
So we go back, try and recalibrate it again.
Calibration failed.
So
That's where you're at, yeah? Still nothing.
I'm going to put down the controller. Try it again.
Calibration failed. Calibration failed.
You can hear it saying it, calibration failed.
I'm going to try over here.
Calibration failed.
You can hear it, it's good. That's good quality.
Calibration failed.
So I'm not really sure what to do.
Okay.
Right.
Do you want me to stop recording?
Yeah.